two concentric circles, means the circle having the same radius. So ये first one circle है, second circle inside इसके draw करते हैं. Now the chord of the larger circle touches the smaller circle. Right?
Select कर दो.
The chord of the larger circle touches तीत हमेशा
पूरे कॉर्ड की लेंथ फाइंड करनी है ना.
पूरे chord की लेंथ फाइंड करनी.
अच्छा, मतलब पहले एमबी की निकालेंगे.
हाँ, पहले एमबी फाइंड कर, उसके बाद. ओके, मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, बाद में तू देख लेना क्या हो रहा है. चेक कर ले पीछे क्या आंसर है.
आठ.
ओके, नेक्स्ट होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का डायग्राम.
दिया हुआ है.
अब तो सोच उसमें तू क्या कर सकता है.
से 4 टेंजेंट दे रखे अपन को.
4 टेंजेंट अगर दे रखा है तो उसको कनेक्ट करके क्या लाना है वो सोच. ए बी सी डी ए डी बी सी चाहिए. So length of chord from the exterior point is equal. Yes, sorry, length of tangent from the exterior point to the point of contact is always equal. चेक कर, एक थ्योरम होगा.
एक मिनट सर.
Length of tangent drawn from the exterior points are always equal.
थ्योरम है ना.
हाँ.
The tangent upon perpendicular. Theorem 10.1. Theorem. The lengths of tangent drawn from an external point at a circle are equal.
मतलब C से R और Q पे 2 टेंजेंट गया है ना.
C से हाँ
R और Q पे, तो CR जो होगा वो इक्वल्स टू CQ होगा.
अच्छा, ऐसा. तो DR इज इक्वल टू DS.
हाँ.
ओके. और AP इज इक्वल टू AS.
अब देख, CD के 2 पार्ट हो रहे हैं ना, DR और CR.
हाँ.
So पहले वहां पे लिख, we know that tangent drawn from the, so first यहाँ पे लिख tangent drawn from the exterior point from same exterior points are equal, therefore dr equals to ds tangent from point D. That is equation number 1. Then next one, CR equals to CQ tangent from point C. Equation number 2. Then AP equals to AS. Same reason, tangent from point A, that is equation number 3. Then last one, PB equals to BQ. Tangent from point B. Now we have to prove that AB plus CD. So we can write AB as a part of AP plus PB and CD as a part of DR plus RC. This one. So we are adding equation 1, 2, 3, 4. So DR plus CR. So DR plus CR plus AP plus PB and this side DS CQ AS BQ. Now DR plus CR is equal to CD. Same way AP plus PB can be written as AB. Then DS plus AS. DS plus AS. Then CQ plus BQ. This one AD plus BC. Hence proved. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में हमने ये यूज किया है कि टेंजेंट फ्रॉम द एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट. ये सी एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट है, यहाँ से दो टेंजेंट पास हुए टू द पॉइंट R एंड टू द पॉइंट Q. So length of tangent from the exterior points are always equal. सिर्फ हमें इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि अगर हमें यहाँ पे, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लिख रखा है, अगर मुझे AB चाहिए then we need AP plus PB. सो इस तरह से इक्वेशन को अरेंज करना कि अगर AP इस तरफ है तो इसी तरफ PB भी आए.
हाँ.
So XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangent.
हाँ.
So two parallel tangent at the, then we have to prove that AOB ये जो एंगल हो रहा है वो 90 डिग्री है. Then first we will prove that. Okay, so first we will join O with C. So right here join OC. Okay, you can write simply join OC. Now we have two triangle. First triangle in triangle OAP and the Second one is OAC. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So what can we write? OP equals to OQ. Reason?
OP is equals to OQ. OP is equals to OQ. क्योंकि
Radii, radii of
O is the P क्या क्या बोलूं PQ is the diameter ऐसे ही बोल सकता हूँ ना.
radius of the same circle. Next part, then AP equals to AC tangent from point A. ठीक है. Then last one OA equals to OA.
और एक है
Why we need one more? OAP is congruous to OAC by SSS. ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? Suppose हमने प्रूव कर दिया है कि this angle equals to this angle and this angle is equals to this angle. Now the sum of these three angles are 180 degree.
हाँ
क्या प्रूव किया कि this one equals to this one. Now in the same way prove that this angle equals to this one. So we will write by CPCT angle POA equals to angle COA. CPCT. That is equation number 1. Now take the next triangle. In triangle QOB and triangle COB. So here OQ equals to OC. The radius of same circle. Then QB equals to CB. Tangent from point B. Then OB equals to OB. Common. So triangle QOB is congruous to triangle COB by SSS. So we can write here angle QOB is equals to angle COB by CPCT. Equation number 2. Okay. So we'll write here as PQ is a straight line. Therefore, angle POQ is 180 degree. Now angle POQ is divided into 4 parts. That is angle POA plus AOC plus COB plus QOB is equals to 180. Now from the equation 1 and 2, we need to prove only this angles is 90 degree. So can we replace POA with the angle COA? COA, and this one is AOC, can be also written as COA. Now in the same way, COB, we need only COB, this inside angle. So we will replace QOB with COB. This one COB, this one is COB. By equation 1 and 2. So twice of COB plus twice of COA equals to 180 degree, and then 2 is common. COA is equals to 180 180 divided by 290 degree. So now angle COB, this one, and COA. We can write full angle with the angle AOB is 90 degree. Hence proof. A parallelogram inscribe a circle means circle draw करना और उसके outer side में parallelogram होगा means all the side of the parallelogram will intersect or will touch the circle from the exterior point. Circumscribing parallelogram. So circle will touch the all side of the parallelogram and the circle will be inside. Now same as a question number 8, we can consider that A is a exterior point. So length of tangent from the exterior point is always equal. So right here, we know that length of tangent from exterior point are equals